Ginani ati mutumia wa munini wa president ni Pastor DORCAS Rigathi niagitariria kana niakiririkanite uria agikorirwo agikinyia kana muthenya wake wa mbere cukuru-ini wa Alliance Girls na kuria agitaririe uria agikorirwo akinyitwo guoko na gutwarwo cukuru-ini uyu ni kamishina wa hindi kana wa tene wikaine ta Thu Kibathi gukiri uguo kana hindi igongona riri na kuria rikurehete hamwe arutwo a tene a miaka ya 80. Pastor DORCAS ni akiranire guikorwo akinyitirira arutwo eri guikorwo magithie na mbere na mathomo mao kuona ati onake ni agikorirwo akinyitirirwo na njira njega.
I feel that when I came here the first day, I was brought by a DC because we didn't have fees. That district commissioner, he was called Thu Kibathi. And my mother had prayed the whole day so that I could come. I didn't have uniform, I didn't have anything. Somebody made a difference in my life. And that is why many people don't understand. When I go to drug dens, trying to pull people and to rescue people from those drugs, from alcohol, I know I could have been there. Because he brought and made a difference in my life. I want to make a difference to 2 girls. I want to pay their school fees from one. The one who you know is the worst. I want to pay for 2 of them. Whether they want to go up to PhD, it will be me who is going to pay for them. That's why when I come here, I remember the 4 years. Sometimes it was very hard. But never, ever give up on your hope, your goal. Focus. Have faith in God. Have faith in yourself and do what you must do.
Tukitigana na icio tukirongoreria ciĩgiĩ ũgitĩri na nĩ ati kũrũmĩrĩra ciĩko cia